Hi everyone, welcome to Think Smart Home. In one of my earlier videos, I showed you how you can install Synology DSM on your old PC. You should be seeing a link to that video on the top right corner of this video. I'll also share the link to that video down in the description below if you want to watch that video later. Now there are a few comments on that video asking how to update the ARC loader and the DSM. This is a quick video on how to update ARC Loader and DSM 7 to the latest version running on your PC. So let's quickly check the drives I have and the shared folder structure before we start the update. Later, after the update, we can come back and verify all the files are still present. I am currently running DSM 7.2.1 update 4. Now we can see update 5 is available for download and update. Now when we run the update, it will automatically download and install the latest version of the loader. At the time of recording this video, the latest version is 24.5.20. Alright, I'll take you to my server cabinet to check the loader version installed on my PC and then we'll run the update. As you can see, I'm using ARC 24.4.13. So to run the update, I'll reboot my PC and then I'll select ARC update mode. Once selected, let the loader do its things. You'll be seeing it downloading and installing the updates. While this is happening, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video about smart home automations, storage, or network security. The PC will reboot automatically when the update is complete. This time, you need to select ARC DSM mode since our loader update is complete and we need to update our DSM now. Once the reboot is complete, we can access our DSM again from any PC. Download the latest version of DSM. Once downloaded, hit the update button. If there is any active running processes, DSM will warn you about them. Once the update is installed, the PC will reboot again. Once you see the login page, that means the latest update is installed and you can log in to your DSM using your previous login credentials. Alright, let's go and verify the versions and you can see the latest update 5 is installed. Quick tip, under update settings, make sure you have selected not to install update automatically and system should notify you when there is an update available. This will help you avoid any accidental update which is not supported by the loader. Let's quickly verify the drives and the folder structure to make sure the data is still intact. As you can see, everything is as it was before the update. So our update is successful. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.